So what's up guys, welcome back to Code Family. This is Suashish and you are watching the fifth part of our addtocart project. As you can see in this playlist, I have uploaded these 4 parts before, and if you have not watched these parts, then first watch these and then come back to this video. Let's see how much we have done in our previous videos. As you can see, this is our product's basic layout page, and here if I click on this add to cart button, here you can see the number of products in that particular cart is showing here, and if I click this icon, then you can see the details of that particular product. But what is the problem here is, if I click on this same product again, then it is increasing by 1, but it shouldn't be happen, and inside that it is showing that we have added 2 products. But in this video we are going to meet this as whenever we click on the same product, the value of number of product will increase. So let's do that. So you just need to go to the reducers, and here right here const index equal to this is our state, and inside that we have a cart. So right here state dot cart, and here we can apply the find index function, and now whatever the item that are there inside our cart, we can check here as this items ID would be matched with the action dot payloads ID. So what we are doing in this step is, whatever the product that we are receiving in this action dot payload, and then its ID will compare with the existing product, and if we found that we can have our index as a non-zero value. So if it would happen, then we just need to increment, and we can have it as if index is greater than 0, greater than equal to 0, I guess. Then what we need to do here is, we just need to change that particular that particular product's count number. So right here state dot cart, and in this cart the index number of item, this index we will find from this, and here we can write here state dot cart dot index dot rating dot count will be plus equal to 1. And now if it is not, then we can put this thing right here else, and inside that we can have this const rating and return things. And now inside the if statement we can return a state which is this state only. So now I think everything is finally done here. So let's see it is working or not. Just go to your product page, and if I add a product here, now you can see I have added a product, and its number of product is showing here as 1. And again if I click on this add to cart, then you can see this number of product inside this cart icon is not increasing, and here you can see the number of products here showing as 2. So this so now our duplicacy error is removed. Now if I want to increase this particular product, okay, something went wrong here. I think the close function is calling every time. So let's see the menus this menus a use state also. Okay, we have an anchor EI and then method and handle click, handle close. We just need to remove this handle close from certain things, and we don't need this here. And the menu click. Okay, this is we need this, but we don't need here. So just remove it. Now everything will work fine. And so try to increase it, and you can see it is increasing. And now what we need to do is, and now we are going to make this minus icon functionable. So go to your VS Code and here go to reducer, and what we can do here, we have only one action, so let's design an action also. So here action.js, here we can write another action as okay, let's remove this thing, and we can write here as export, and this is also export, and here let's make this name as remove remove or remove one, I guess, remove one, because we have to make the delete function also. So now let's change this type as remove one, and now let's go to the reducers update cart, and here we can have another case which is remove one. So here we can have another case called remove one, just delete it. And now inside this, what we have to do is, okay, so we just need to perform this operation again. First of all, we have to check that this this particular ID is present or not inside our cart. So right here, so here what we are doing is we are checking whatever we're receiving in our action.payload. Basically it is a product, and its ID, if its ID will match with our state.cart's any products ID, then we can have its index. And here we just need to decrease its count. So here we just need to copy this thing, and now here if we found its index, and after that the count will be decreased by 1, and we are simply returning the state. And what is the error here? What is the break statement? Oh, I got it. We just need to put this ifs ending, not here, and here, and now everything is fine. And now we just need to call this remove one action inside our headers minus button. So before that, we just need to import where we have added this actions, and here we can add, here we can import also this remove one. Let's see this name is same or not. Okay, so the case name will be remove one, and the action name will be also remove one. Okay, so O is the capital here. So inside our header, so we just need to make this O capital here, and here comma, and save it. Okay, we got some error here, export default. So okay, imported as add was not found in action. Okay, so just go to the action file, and okay, so here we must have to a default export. So export default and any action that we can put here. So add, save it, and now go to the header.jsx, and here we just need to call this remove one, and where we have to call it inside this minus icon. So copy this on click and paste it, and here we have to call this remove one action, and we just need to pass this particular product. So let's save it and let's see it is working or not, and go to browser. So let's add a product, and inside the cart section let's increase it, and if we want to decrease it, is working. So now what we want that whenever this number of the products will equal to 0, this product will remove from our cart. So before that, let's make this delete button functionable. So here we just need to define an action, and here we have to implement the action of the delete button. So copy this action and let's change it to remove only, and here also remove, and save it. And now what we have to do is go to header.jsx, and where is the delete button? Yeah, here. Before that we just need to import this action, and yeah, here. So here write remove, remove, save it, and now go to the delete button, and here you can add that particular on click also. Okay, copy this on click and paste it here, and you can do one thing. Instead of this add, you can add remove. And now let's design the reducer. So where is our reducer? The update cart.js. Here if we have another case, that is only remove, and how are we gonna do that? Okay, so now what is the logic is, so what here we have to do is we just need to filter all the products except that particular product which has been sent inside the remove function. So here we can write like state dot cart will be state dot cart dot filter, and inside that whatever the element, whatever the product, its element, its ID should not be match with the action dot payload dot ID. Here we can make it as double equal to, and save it. And now we can return the state as it is. So dot 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 state, save it, and now I think it will work perfectly. So let's try to run it. So let's add a product, and at the moment I click on this delete button, Whoa, that's amazing. So let's again try to add another products. So here one product, second one, third one, fourth one, and now let's try to delete all these things here. Delete this first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. Okay, everything is perfectly working. And now what we want, that if this product's number is equal to 0, and it will automatically deleted. So what we have to do is go to VS Code, and inside the header here we have to perform the ternary operator, that inside this where it is, inside this negative, inside this minus icon, we just need to perform that if product, I guess, yeah, product dot rating dot count is equal to 1, then what we are calling, we are calling directly this remove function. So copy this and paste it here, and after that, if this is not equal to 1, then we are simply calling this remove one action. So make it as equal to, okay, let's make it as triple equal to. Now save it. So let's see it is working or not. Now, okay, first refresh it, and now try to add a cart, and now add a product to the cart. And here, if I click on this minus symbol, you can see the cart is empty. Let's try again. Add another product, this one, and then this one, and here increment here to some extent, and here also, and now delete it 1 2 3 times, and then 2 1, and now it should be deleted. You can see that previous product is deleted now. Let's perform here the same operation, 3 2 1, and now it is deleted. So now let me explain this process, how actually this will work. Okay, here inside this minus symbol, we are checking in a on click, we are checking if the product dot rating dot count is equal to 1. If it is equal to 1, then we have to perform a remove action where we are passing the product, and if it is not, then we are calling this action where we just need to perform the remove one action. And inside this action, when this remove one action has been called, it simply receives this product and returns this type and payload. And whenever this remove action is called, it receives the product and return type as remove and then payload. And after that, inside the reducer, and inside this update cart reducer, if the action dot type matches with this case, then it will perform this operation. And if the action dot type will match with this remove this case, and then what we are doing is, so now by this filter function, we are receiving all the products except which IDs matches with this action.payload.id, and then after we are simply returning the state. Now let's see what is there that we have not solved yet. So go to the browser and add a particular product, and now this increasing and decreasing also, and deleted also. Okay, so now here, now we just need to show this total price of our products. So go to the VS Code and go to header. Where is our total section? Here, what we can do is, okay, let's see we have imported the use selector or not. So we have used a use selector, and after that we have our cart. Now let's define a state. Before that, we just need to import the use state hook. Not like that, use state. And now let's define a state for our total. So const total, and then set total is equal to use state, and then its value initially is 0, and in down below we can set this thing as state and total. Okay, that is fine. So let's save it and let's see the 0 is showing or not. Add a product here, and now the 0 is showing here, so our state is working perfectly. And now let's write here total and dollar symbol. And now, and here we are going to do a very interesting thing, which is we have to perform here the map operation on this cart. So before that, we just need to make a function inside which we're gonna set our total whenever this page will reload. So make a function here, const get total equal to, and then inside the pair of curly braces we can perform here the map function on cart. Before that, we can take a price variable. So price equal to 0, and here cart dot map, and then product implies, and here so price will be product dot price into product dot rating dot count, and then plus the previous price. So in this process, what we are doing is we are adding the previous value of price, and after that we are multiplying the product's price with the number of the product, and then this map function add all the total price of the product, and at last we can set the total as price. And now what we can do is, let's say we have defined here the use effect or not. So define here use effect, and now down here what we need to do is we just need to call this get total function inside the use effect. So use effect, and here just remove this return statement, and here you can call this get total. And now we don't need this extra array, so remove it and save it. And now I think everything will everything will be okay. So refresh it, and add a particular product here, this men cotton jacket and then men casual slim fit. And now click on this icon, and now you can see we have a price of this particular product is 55.99, and then this men's casual slim fit will, and its price is $15.99, and if we add this price then we can get 71.98. now let's try to increase its number of products. So okay, everything is working fine, but this this section is changing. Okay, everything is working perfectly, but this total we have to modify the total so that it can fit in this particular section. So what we need to do is we just need to go to this total, and so here we just need to write as total dot to fixed and up to 2 decimal points, and save it. And as you can see, we have our total as 103.96, and if I increment this number of products, then it is showing perfectly, and if I decrease this quantity, then it is also decreasing. And for the same as the first product, and when we reach to the zero number of products, then it is automatically deleted. And you can see now this is showing as your cart is empty. So finally guys, we have completed our add to cart project, and if you guys want this kind of projects related to React, Redux, Node.js, then you can put your comments in the comment section so that I can bring many more content for you. And if you have any queries related to this project, then put it also in the comment section. I will definitely gonna answer them. Try to implement these things from my tutorial. First you can refer, but then you have to practice a lot to be perfect in any of the project. Whether you watch them from my channel or any other YouTuber's channel, it is not important that what tutorial you have watched. It is important that how much you have practiced and learn, how much you have implemented in the real life. So that's all what I wanted to say with you guys. So this is all for today. We will meet in our next videos. Till then, keep coding and have a great day.